Hi, I'm Morgan Morano. I'm here with the Bravo Trittico. These are amazing machines built in Italy. Very easy to use for gelato making. To turn it on, just twist like that. The lights will start blinking. You have to make sure to do your initial rinse when you're prepping gelato for the first time each morning to close the flute. This is essentially what connects the top chamber to the bottom batch freezer. You want to make sure the batch freezer door is secure. This part's secure as well. You want to make sure that the tray to catch the dripping water is underneath. And then what's great about the Bravo machines is they have a hose with water connected to it. So in order to rinse the machine, you just fill the top heating chamber with water. You're going to want to heat this up to about 70 degrees, 80 degrees Celsius, and then you flush through the entire gelato machine quickly. I'll show you how. Okay, the top heating chamber is now full of water. I'm going to shut this. All you have to do, very simple, is turn this to the heating icon and press start, and it's going to warm up the water again to about 70, 80 degrees Celsius, and it allows you to flush out the machine and get it all clean, disinfected before you start production. Okay, you can see the temperature is at 70 degrees Celsius. So 71, we're going to hit stop. We're going to switch it over to rotating. Open the flute. You'll see the water comes right down into the batch freezer. You keep the batch freezer on rotate. You don't put it to cold. You don't want to freeze the water. And you just hit start and do a quick rinse. Okay, that's going to flush out anything that's remaining from the previous day's cleaning. And you open it slowly. If you open it quickly, all the water is going to come rushing out. You slowly open it. It's going to be hot, hot water. And you take your time draining it, dumping it in the sink, and then the machine's ready to go. To make sure all the water is out of the top chamber, you just want to keep it on the rotating icon. You press start, stop a few times. It's going to finish taking all the water out of the top chamber. You can even dry it a little bit if you'd like to with paper towel. And now again, you always want to make sure you close this valve. Otherwise, when you put a batch up top, if you're using the heating chamber, you're going to lose it to the batch freezer. All right, you open this up. The door opens as well. Again, these are super easy machines to use. We love these machines. And you can take a spatula to get the remaining water out, or you can dry it with a paper towel, and then you lock everything up, and it's ready for production. Typically, we start with sorbets. At Morano Gelato, we always started with sorbets first, or a sorbet syrup, and then we move into the gelato flavors.